The Leo man, born between July 23 and August 22, is a charismatic and dynamic individual under the influence of the confident and fiery Leo zodiac sign. Represented by the regal lion, he embodies qualities that are bold, magnetic, and undeniably captivating. With a natural flair for leadership, the Leo man possesses a presence that commands attention and admiration wherever he goes. Here are some fun facts about Leo men. Natural leaders. Leo men often have a natural ability to take charge and lead. They are confident and charismatic, making it easy for them to step into leadership roles. Creative expression. Many Leo men have a strong creative side. They might be drawn to artistic pursuits like music, writing, acting, or visual arts as a way to express themselves. Loyal and protective. Loyalty is a key trait for Leo men. They are fiercely loyal to their friends, family, and loved ones, and they'll go to great lengths to protect and support those they care about. Charismatic personalities. Leo men tend to have a magnetic charm that attracts others to them. They often have a presence that's hard to ignore and can easily capture the attention of a room. Love for attention. Leo men enjoy being in the spotlight and receiving attention. They thrive in social situations and can be quite comfortable being the center of attention. Generous spirits. Many Leo men are generous and giving. They are often willing to help out friends and loved ones, and they enjoy showering those they care about with gifts and gestures of affection. Confident demeanor. Confidence is a hallmark of Leo men. They tend to believe in themselves and their abilities, which can be quite attractive to others. Playful and adventurous. Leo men have a playful and adventurous side. They enjoy trying new things and embracing excitement in their lives. Dramatic flair. Dramatic moments can be a part of a Leo man's life. They might enjoy theatrical expressions and passionate displays of emotion. Proud and independent. Leo men value their independence and take pride in their accomplishments. They are often driven to achieve their goals and be self-reliant. Warm and affectionate. While they can have a bold exterior, Leo men are often affectionate and loving with their close friends and partners. They enjoy expressing their emotions openly. Natural flirtation. Leo men are known for their natural flirtatiousness. Their charm and confidence make them skilled at creating romantic connections. Optimistic outlook. Positivity is a common trait in Leo men. They tend to have an optimistic perspective and can uplift those around them with their enthusiasm. Big-hearted. Leo men have big hearts and a strong desire to make a positive impact on the world. They often feel a deep sense of responsibility to contribute positively to the lives of others. Creative problem solvers. Their creative thinking extends to problem solving as well. Leo men can often come up with innovative solutions to challenges. Remember, while these traits are associated with Leo men, individual personalities can vary widely, and not every Leo man will exhibit all of these characteristics. Astrology offers general tendencies, but each person is a unique individual with their own combination of qualities.